So right now I will run 5k through Alcantara, Lisbon. Listening to ASAP Rocky music. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. It's a nice neighborhood here. So, what I would say, it's like to be here is a gift, definitely, but it feels that when you stay in a country like this for a long time, you realize how important it is to know local language, Portuguese, which means that if you will stay for a long time somewhere, you need to start learning the language of the particular area, you know.
Yo, it was a pretty fun run, mid-range, 529 kilometers, a lot of beautiful views. Thankfully, I was using my straps on my knees, which helped me a lot. Like every time when I run, I use them to have more stability on my knees, not to overload them much, so I will be able to run more and more eventually in the future.
Yo, so the second activity for the day, we are going to play some basketball, like a solo. We'll throw some ball. Yeah, it's like under this bridge, which you can see here. It's amazing, some amazing views. This neighborhood in Lisbon, Alcantara area. Yeah, and there's like downhill, steep downhill. Yep. So see you on the court. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Look. Yeah, the court is right under this bridge on the left. Yeah, and you will be pretty amazed by that, I think. And hopefully I will be able to make some drone video there. Hopefully there will be no restrictions for it. Nice court. Yeah, thanks to this city that it has like a court like this. As I see, people are not really playing basketball or throwing the ball. Yeah, pretty tired, sweating, as it's still sunny, like it's still hot. Yeah, it's already like 6 p.m. but it's still hot outside. It's like summertime, but it's still spring. May 10. Yeah, some nice liner, like breeze liner, is there. Check this out. Yeah, I'm heading home to my home, and then I will proceed with my illustration projects, NFTs, characters, and all this stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you. Always thinking that I'm so limited at what I'm saying just because English is not my native language. So yeah, probably, yeah, that I need like few attempts, maybe not even few, maybe tens or hundreds of them, just to be more consistent, more narrative, yeah, more interesting. But hopefully the image is nice and you like it. hopefully. Yeah, stay tuned, more videos to come.